Got the Tech-Air 5 in here. Without further ado, we ain't gonna make y'all wait for nothing. Yeah, get out of here. Nice packaging. This box, the manual. Oh yeah, I guess it depends on you know, which country you in, what type of plug you may need. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try this thing on. I got the size large, and I know this may be a surprise to y'all, showing my face for the first time and everything. I know y'all must be shocked that I'm black, but yeah, I think the large was the perfect size. I'm only about 5'9". The zipper is magnetic. Okay, it fits fine. You gotta read the manual. Okay, so the buttons light up. Should be armed now. Let me throw a jacket on, show you what it looked like. All right, y'all, first jacket we're gonna try it on with is this old cheap, extra large, built, mesh, super summer jacket. Zips up fine. You know, think it look all right. I got this Joe Rocket jacket in a large, you know, my cooler weather jacket. Yeah, man, this thing fits great under everything. It's definitely more comfortable than the back protector I had. So we're gonna be protected out here in the streets and on the track. At first, you know, I was thinking, man, maybe I should have got the race one, because this one retails at like $600, I believe. And the race one is almost 12. But with the race one, you get 2 deployments before you need to get it repacked. With this one, you only get 1 deployment. But, you know, knowing myself, I don't know, hopefully I don't need more than 1 deployment. So now let me go ahead and grab this suit, throw that on and see what it feels like. This is my Alpinestars missile. I should put a different shirt on. So it's not head, it's in. Whew. Hey. Oh, I'm gonna need help with this. Whew. All right, so getting this on by yourself with the suit. You have to have somebody hold it down for you.
P.O.P. hold it down.
Can't get it around the hump. And I try to come up. Shit. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Man, this suit was kicking my ass, but that's all right. We got to figure it out. What you really got to do is you got to take the suit off completely. Shove the sleeve on in there. Shove the other sleeve. Then from here, I like to sit down. You know what I'm saying? Leave that thing on the floor so you ain't got to worry about it falling. Get your legs in. Get your arms started. Then from here, you can stand up. Do it all as one. Whew. Pull all your stuff out. And now it can be zipped up. All right, so now let's go ahead and hop on the bike and check out how it feels on there. All right, so in terms of body position, can't even tell it's on. Well, you know what? I do feel a little bit more pressure in the torso area. Yeah, it does constrict breathing a little bit, but when you in the lane, it is a little tighter on the stomach. Yeah, so yeah, I might have to lose a couple pounders, cause shit, I'm gonna have to too. So I didn't really want to get too in depth with this product. I didn't really want to do a review. I just wanted to introduce it to you all. Now, I'm not sponsored by Alpinestars or nothing, even though, you know, I should be. I look good in this, don't I? But anyways, I got the Tech-Air 5 as opposed to the race vest. 1, the price point is lower, and 2, the Tech-Air 5 is compatible with all different types of gear. Now, if I were to get the race, you can only use Tech-Air compatible equipment. Other than that, I'm gonna give y'all a better review later on. I got a track day coming up, and it's about to be 90 degrees out here in August. Whew, and some Alabama heat. So I'm gonna tell y'all how the airflow feels and all that, and give y'all an actual in-depth review. Talk about how to update it, all of that good stuff. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace. Your boy's sweating. Oh. Oh. Whew.